Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Investing with KJ. This is KJ the Investor. We're going to go ahead and hop into it. Look at the portfolio right now. It's at $42,784. It says already we've made a gain of $221 for today. If you know anything about the market from yesterday and the day before, it was so far down. Y'all, I don't think I ever seen some of these stocks reach that low. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go into the portfolio. Interest occurred this month, $1.32. Lifetime interest paid, $53.47. Cash earning interest is still at $45.18, but that's all gonna change in the morning. I got some USDC crypto. I got 101 shares of that. It's $1 a piece. AVAC, I got a couple of shares. Well, it ain't even a full share. I got some AVAC because it was free. And if you know anything about this channel, if you've been following me, you know I had some Ethereum and I sold it at a profit. Okay. Last week, we got some good earnings reports from Google, and I covered it in my previous video. And we had got some earnings reports from Tesla, but unfortunately, I sold all my Tesla because they were struggling at the beginning of the year. So I sold it at a profit, and I took those earnings and I reinvested into another company called, can you guess it? You guessed it right. If you did, it's Nvidia. As you can tell right now, Nvidia is way up compared to what it was just a couple of hours ago. On yesterday, Nvidia was so far down, it was like it reached like $106. But right now, it's trading at $113.39. I have 40 shares of Nvidia at a market value of $4,623. Average cost is $120. Today's return so far is $44.86. I'm down in the position overall, $276. Like I said, because the stock market was so far down, the whole tech industry was so far down just a couple of hours ago, just yesterday, technically. If you look in the corner of my phone, this video has been taken at 1:31 in the morning. So just a couple of hours ago, all the tech sectors were down. But like I said, we are in earnings season. So this next week coming up, you got the other big four companies of the Mag 7. Like I said, giving earnings report. Like I said, Tesla already gave a report. Google already gave a report. And Google actually did better than expected, and they still went down. So I'm not sure why, but a lot of people have short positions, or they're doing options trading against the Mag 7 so that they can, make money on the stock going down. But this week coming up, you got 4 of the big 7 going to give their reports as well. You got Apple, you got Microsoft, you got Meta, and you got Amazon. All 4 of them are expected to give out great information about their stocks. So we're going to, stay tuned for that. Then rounding out the Magnificent 7, the last one to report will be Nvidia. Nvidia's report should be another home run out of the park type of thing, where we can see some tremendous growth within our portfolios. Hopefully you guys been investing in the Mag 7, because right now I think tech is the biggest, highest growth sector of the entire stock market. Right now, I'm pulling up Alphabet Class C. Google Alphabet Class C is trading at $169.56. Looking forward to adding to this position today. This right now I got 3.69 shares. Market value $627. I'm down overall $57.93. But that's all gonna change once the earnings report comes out. Because if you look at this, Google Alphabet Class A, it's trading at $167.85. I got 12.68 shares, market value $21.29.19, and a total return of $303.95. So I've been building on Class A a lot longer than I've been building on Class C. Class A for Google is voter rights. Class C is not voter rights, but overall they're both having a tremendous year overall, both over 20% return on the money. So look at Apple trading at 219 flat even on the dot. I got 22 shares of Apple. Market value $4,827.64. Average cost was $175.49. I bought Apple back in January, February, March when the prices were in the trash can, and so I was able to get it at a real good price. Total return so far overall is $959.05. That's a 24, almost 25% return on the money. Right here, I'm going to take a look at Walmart. Walmart is up $70.19 trading right now. And year to date, I want to show you year to date, Walmart is up 33.91%. Man, that's incredible. I got 101 shares of Walmart. Market value is $7,123. The average cost is $55.52. Today's return $17.25. Total return overall, earlier it was like $1,500, but right now it's at $1,488.68. That's my total return so far with Walmart this year. I'm telling you, I'm doing the best thing that I could do with this stock. Hold it long term, help build wealth and growth. Here's another one, Coca-Cola, another company that's doing pretty good this year, $66.08 is what it's trading at currently. I got 29.84 shares, market value $1,972. Average cost is $59.84. Overall total market return is $186.16. It's a 10% return so far. Anything over 8%, y'all be getting rich. So keep looking out for that. SPLG is the next one I want to talk about. That's the SPDR portfolio S&P 500 fund. It's $63.69 trading right now. This is my deepest fund, my biggest position in my portfolio. I have 113.14 shares of this particular ETF. Market value $7,206.17. My average cost is still at $60.08. Today return already was $41.86, but I have a total return on SPLG of $408.99. Year to date, this stock is up 14.69%. This ETF, is up 14.69%. So SPLG is my broader index investment. So it's the top 500 companies in America. It tracks the same sectors that VU, SPY, and all the other S&Ps track. It's just at a cheaper price, and I love that. Next up, I want to talk about DGRO. It's the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. It's up right now, $59.57. I have 68.735 shares of this stock. That's a market value of $4,094.60. My average cost was $56.42. Today's return was $22 overall. Total return is $216.48. Year to date, this stock is up 11.24%. Anything over 8%, y'all be getting rich. DGRO has a total of 416 holdings in the fund. It's a growth dividend paying ETF. And also, I want to check this one out. SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, is trading at $81.53. Year to date, this stock is up 7.47%. Now, this is not known for growth. This particular ETF is not known for growth. It's known for dividends that it pay out. Anybody know anything about the Schwab U.S. dividend? SCHD actually increased the amount of dividends per share that it was willing to pay. So I got 67 shares of SCHD for a market value of $5,466.02. Average cost was $77.96. Today return $20.78. Total return is $236.72. SCHD has a total number of 103 holdings within the fund. And I'm looking to expand that to more shares as well. I want to take a look at this one as well. FTEC, the Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF, $165 right now is what it's trading at. This particular fund is tracking all the tech sector. So I got 4.5 shares, a market value of $758.32. Average cost is $153.78. Total return overall is $51.56. And I'm looking forward to expanding this particular ETF as well, this investment, so it can stay in the red all at once, as long as when it's my time to cash out, it's green. That's all I care about, because guess what? We're here to make money. That's why we're in the stock market. We're here to make money. Meta is getting ready to report earnings right now. Look at how high it's trading already, $458.25. Meta was just down like 416 just a couple of hours ago. I still got 2.2 shares of Meta for a market value of $1,008.88. Average cost was $508.72. Today I made a return of $10.66, but totally I'm down $111.12 on this particular investment. But guess what? Meta has had a tremendous year. It did over 50% increase from January until July. So guess what? I'm going to stick beside it. I'm going to make sure that I hold Meta long term and also increase my position on that particular stock. So guys, I didn't want to make this video too long. I gave you the meat and potatoes of what I'm doing. Amazon, Microsoft, both of those same way. I want to increase my positions and continue to hold long term. This channel is for investors that are beginners, middle investors that have been doing it mid-terms, and also long-term investors that, you know, that just love the art of investing. If you guys want to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, that would be great, helpful to the page. Any kind of questions, comments, or concerns, please put them down in the comment box below. I respond to every question that's put out there. I respond to every comment. As long as it's positive, you know, I respond to it. Anything else you guys want to see concerning my portfolio, please let me know. Also, guys, I also got another $37,000 in the IRA account. As a matter of fact, we're finna get ready to do some consolidating and getting everything over onto the Robinhood portfolio. So you ought to see these investing numbers go up tremendously. Also, I got another $3,000 to $4,000 in the savings account. Also, I got another almost $1,000 in my Fidelity account. So we're on the road to 100K, man. Don't worry, we're gonna get there soon. As soon as the government get ready to drop down these interest rates, the Federal Reserve drop these short-term interest rates, we should be there. But while the starts are low, I am loading up on the Mag 7. I'm loading up on my favorite ETLs, and I'm loading up on any other stock that I feel like is good, like Walmart and Coca-Cola, things like that. I'm not telling you that's what you have to do, because I'm not a financial advisor, but I am telling you on the red days is the days when we make wealth, where you build your wealth. And then on the green days is when you can cash out, or you see how much you have actually accumulated. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Love you guys.